Let's do some verb juggling and accelerate your fluency. Sehen is to see. Sehen, to see. How would you say I see? Ich sehe. How would you say you see? Du siehst. You see, we switch here the vowel. Ich sehe has an I and du siehst has an I. Actually a long I that is an I and an E together, a diphthong. I and E together is pronounced like a long I, so E. Du siehst. How would you say he sees? Sieht. Here the same. We have also this switch. We say sieht. How would you say we see? Wir sehen. You see, here we go back to the I. Wir sehen. So the switch in the vowel will just occur in the second and third person singular. Du siehst, sieht. But then it's ich sehe, first person singular, and wir sehen, first person plural. How would you say I see you? Ich sehe dich. How would you say do you see me? Siehst du mich? You see, in German, we don't have this do you to make a yes-no question. We start with a verb. See you me? Siehst du mich? Do you see me actually? So, siehst du mich? How would you say, no, I don't see you? Nein, ich sehe dich nicht. How would you say, yes, I see you? Ja, ich sehe dich. How would you say, yes, I see you very clearly? Ja, ich sehe dich sehr deutlich. So very clearly, sehr deutlich. Sehr is very and deutlich is clearly. Ich sehe dich sehr deutlich. I see you very clearly. How would you say, no, I don't see you clearly? Nein, ich sehe dich nicht deutlich. How would you say, no, I don't see you right? Nein, ich sehe dich nicht richtig. So actually meaning I can't see you. Or I can't see you correctly. Nein, ich sehe dich nicht richtig. How would you say, do you see the picture? Siehst du das Bild? How would you say, yes, I see the picture? Ja, ich sehe das Bild. How would you say, yes, I see it? Ja, ich sehe es. How would you say, yes, I see it very clearly? Ja, ich sehe es sehr deutlich. How would you say, no, I don't see it? Nein, ich sehe es nicht. How would you say, do you see the movie? Siehst du den Film? You see, we say den Film. Why? Because sehen is an accusative verb. We have used before accusative pronouns. Siehst du mich, dich, ich sehe es. Dich, mich, es are accusative pronouns. Because sehen is an accusative verb that triggers accusative pronouns and endings. Actually, it's der Film, masculine, but in accusative, the masculine article is den. So we say, siehst du den Film? Do you see the movie? Because what you see is the direct object. In German, the accusative object. Siehst du den Film? How would you say, do you see the movie today? Siehst du den Film heute? How would you say, yes, I see the movie? Ja, ich sehe den Film. How would you say, yes, I see the movie today? Ja, ich sehe den Film heute. How would you say, yes, I see it? Ja, ich sehe ihn. Notice, in German here we say ihn, not es, because it's der Film, masculine, and the masculine accusative pronoun is ihn. So in German, even for things, the gender has to match. In English, you would say it for the movie. But in German, we say him. I see him. Ich sehe ihn. How would you say in the past, I have seen? Ich habe gesehen. You see, gesehen is the participle. It has a G in front and it ends with en because it's an irregular verb. We saw before that we switched the vowel in the second and third person. This is a first sign that it's an irregular verb. Irregular verbs will end with en in the participle. So gesehen is the participle. Ich habe gesehen, I have seen. How would you say, I have seen the movie? Ich habe den Film gesehen. How would you say, I didn't see the movie? Ich habe den Film nicht gesehen. How would you say, I didn't see him? Ich habe ihn nicht gesehen. How would you say, did you see the movie yesterday? Hast du den Film gestern gesehen? Notice, gesehen, the participle is always kicked to the end because we have two verbs. Whenever you have two verbs in German, the second one is kicked to the very end. Hast du den Film gestern gesehen? Have you the movie yesterday seen? We say in German. How would you say, unfortunately, I didn't see the movie? Leider habe ich den Film nicht gesehen. Notice, in German we say leider habe ich. Unfortunately, have I. So not unfortunately, I have. Because leider is here at the first position and the verb, the main verb, is always fixed at the second position. So we say leider habe ich. Unfortunately, have I. Leider habe ich den Film nicht gesehen. How would you say, unfortunately, I didn't see it? Leider habe ich ihn nicht gesehen. Great! Next time, we'll go through the verb betreiben, to operate. Betreiben, to operate, like to operate a machine, for example. So here's what I want you to do now. Take this verb now and juggle it around. Build just 3 simple sentences, saying them out loud. Just 3 simple sentences. This will take you just 1 minute. In the next episode, you'll hear my take on this verb. So talk to you soon. Bis bald. Are you a busy professional who neither has the time, nor the patience, nor the energy to attend traditional language school classes at night or weekends? Then you're in the right place. Click the link in the description below and get my free German podcast course that will help you boost your confidence in speaking in less than 3 months, spending just 10 minutes a day while commuting to work.